Ghana for Mahama Bani. Go Tiriji, Quanta, Bonatim Puna Mabano. Okay, Fasia, okay. Wow. Bra. Wow. You come by no. Don't feel fit all. Aha. MPP winning seat that. NDC in a winning seat. Ewa. NDC, no man here party mubia bra. Eda mamu. Mamu president. Mamu minister. Ya sa mamu MP. Edi MC account. Who join them? She don't feel the a do campaign time. NDC for more target na kro. Sana MPP for more target. She from 50. She the car bre. Bra. What is it? Bra. Yeah. Addo, I bet damn not one. Mahama, what about your chende? Don't you prepare MPP form target in her? NDC for a group party campaign time. Untokwa Kuma NDC. Not your Chrome 50. Yet I am what? Shabronasi, Shanquanta, Chapasa, Raja and Amu. Shaka says your classic answer. Shaka is a group. Nina, we now say, bra. Just stop. I hope just stop. I'm on for Tedani. I'm on for Tedani. Oh, club. Now, two way up for I am MP, your minister, your MC, your party will be your pro. Come to us and contact Tokana and Ja, whom I find Maya. Yes, she from 50. Yeah. Your former NDC chairman, if you are higher, but because I did chairman, if you are opposite, anyway. Until Mumbai Panamaya, young Twitter Sopra, Yao Kuntokwa, come a party. Why not? You're confused. The problem, move up. You're confused. Let my bedroom. Just a final come back right now. Maybe I'm funny come back. Chairman, and I'm minister of meeting. Bra, you're confused. Bra. Addo, Ronnie, I think now what can be a buyer business squad? No way, the whole region. No one buy a business squad. No one can buy in the agro. Bra. Yeah, Chamari. A quack crowd. And the cat is through a mumping by melody. Chamari, a quack crowd. I'm with you, and I'm with you, money.
All right, so, President John Dramani Mahama, your people are crying, calling for your help in Oti region. What we have seen, the air was our video, very, very bad. According to the guy, they have been voting for the NDC for so many years. MPP and William Bawo Honum Poda. NDC now they winning the beer. But what the situation now omukomu Oti region time. This is just quarter. We can do quarter of their Niama Kosu Ewo Oti region. Oti region is one of the poorest cities region in the whole Ghana. It's not even the one. It's on Oti region is the poorest region in Ghana. But these people keep on voting for the NDC. Since you people realize, say, Mutu Abama NDC de Biabamunia man, the way Etienne Sanetino, I didn't think I'm to Mrs. Samuel Kakra. Why is it hard for you people to change your hand? Musise Mukakre, Mutu Abati NDC, Mutu Abati because I was a Mukai who say. MPP candidates no almost standing or honor almost almost region honor almost before for air back region. They are also your people. Inti mo to me more chance no na mo try mo so hwe say these people say to abama omo so a omo ba ombetuma ye bibi papa na. This NDC government do not spend anything on vote campaigning to you people. Omo say she say campaign, they say ye be campaigning ye be sesika voter ready no authority omo say ye be sesika say ye campaign it be any voter region. It be any voter region, any voter region. Look at the things I see. Last week, me who school dema nkola etna esuya dina abusia e wo voter region hoduma. Fukra uyembesho. But these people keep on voting for the NDC and that bend na mubese samu mentality no. You people need to change that mentality or some that mentality no. Until then we will keep on suffering. There's because we refuse to learn, we refuse to change how we vote in the voter region and the region. You realize, you see, you realize, say, so why don't you people change the voting system in there? I didn't think to me, some voting basa na ya muye, e wo hono musense mu kakra. Musense mu kakra. Se mutumi sesema, it will give this NDC people competition. Say yes, no. Sisi na unkofuna ya na umwache no. Sisi no I say umusu nyansa. And they will be forced to do something for you. And yes, we will continue to suffer as a region. We will continue to suffer as neighbors. You people should even thank Nana Danko Agufanos Oba no Obechem Omamu Musu region. Anka Uti region. She ni ho. Ade ye friend development a big clan ni ho misi nkofo amutu kwan ko Uti region daru. They will tell you. Ask them. But these people
prepared to win us power in 2028 is His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. To Honorable Kennedy Japan's assertion, you see, if there is anybody who, in my opinion, benefited from the defeat of NPP in 2024, then it is the respected Kennedy Japan.
Benefited?
And again, let me say that considering the circumstances and surroundings that, confronted the party and the government going into the 2024 elections, if NPP had, presented Kennedy Japan as our candidate, I tell you, he wouldn't have crossed 30%. He wouldn't have crossed 30%. And clearly, if you look at the data, it is obvious that he wouldn't have crossed 30%. And I say so because in the 2023 November 4th primaries, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia beat him by 69%. And so clearly, if you want any politician who is most popular in the New Patriotic Party, you take out President Akufo-Addo. The next in line is His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And so if he beat you by 69% and you got our 30-something%, what makes you think that you are more popular than Dr. Bawumia and that you would have won the 2024 elections?
But how did the laws benefit him, really?
The laws, he benefited from the laws because now he is everywhere chastising, trying to malign Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. When his utterances cost us in the 2024 elections, because
Kennedy's utterances.
Of course, his utterances
cost you the election.
Yes. A lot of people believe that his utterances cost us in the 2024 elections, and I do not think that that's a lie. That is an absolute truth that his utterances cost us in the 2024 elections because you have such an influential figure in the New Patriotic Party who, picked up fights against religious bodies. He was everywhere attacking the personality of Dakiwad Mills, Bishop Obinim, and Nigel Gazy, a whole lot of, religious leaders picked up fights with women, insulting women. In fact, he was even insulting his own party people. You insult the very people who wish to vote for you. I do not think that is proper and that his actions caused us in 2024, and he is part of the reasons why we are here today. They blame everything on the government of the day. In fact, all the persons contesting His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, with the exception of Engineer Kwabena Japan, all the other persons were part of the government. Honorable Kennedy Japan was part of the government. And so far, it's been good. If you look at some of the videos, going around on social media, you could clearly see that the people want Dr. Bawumia to lead the New Patriotic Party into the 2028 election. And it is because the main idea and focus and aim of a political party is to win political power. And the people
and you think
of the
Dr.
new
Bawumia is the man for the job?
Absolutely. The people
to win
of
power in 2028?
Absolutely.